Welcome to Project 2.7, the DC Motor Tachometer. The goal of this is to create a DC tachometer based off an IR receiver and a simple DC hobby motor. This is the first part of the project. This part controls the speed of the motor. It runs off a simple potentiometer, which reading is done by the Arduino Mega, is then presented via PWM to the MOSFET, which then in turn blinks at a certain rate would turn on and off the motor. PWM works by having varying voltage. While it is only a series of on and off, what it does have is an average voltage. With a 50% duty cycle, it's half of the average voltage. Therefore, you can vary the voltage anywhere between the source and the least amount. This is part 2. This part is what actually detects the RPM. There's a light source which emits IR, and the IR receiver. As the motor rotates, it periodically lets an amount through. That amount is counted, referenced to how many per second, multiplied by 60 to get RPM. Here we can see that it's reading 0 when it's not in. Now it is now inserted, and it will start reading its max value of approximately 6600 plus or minus 10%. I have a bit lower values here because my light is fluctuating. Now these go up and down due to the AC amount of my bulb. It does tend to even out after a little while. I had some major issues with my project. My IR transmitter did break, so I had to use a simple fluorescent light bulb. That and the connections to my motor also did break.
Okay,
Overall, this was a good project.